So you have a patient come in with a new clinical presentation. Let's say rotator cuff tendinopathy syndrome. You haven't seen this in a while, so you decide to review its protocol in ChiroUp's condition reference. Then you'll take those skills into the treatment room. Once you evaluate and treat your patient, you're going to want to send them home with something. That's where ChiroUp's condition report comes into play. ChiroUp condition reports educate your patient about their condition and prescribed exercises and ADL recommendations. You can either create this take-home report in the examination room, or you can have your staff build the report for you. In less than 20 seconds, your patient will have a customized report that they can access at home via printout, online, or even by mobile app. It's that simple to integrate ChiroUp into your daily practice. Get prescribing to take your patient education to the next level. www.chiroup.com